What if I told you that one of the most powerful anti-aging secrets in the world is sitting somewhere in your home or available at your local store for just a few dollars? And what if I told you that the billion-dollar beauty industry absolutely does not want you to know about it? Because the moment you discover this, you will never spend hundreds of dollars on those overpriced creams and serums ever again. Thousands of women around the world have already started using just 2 drops of this incredible oil every single day, and within the very first application they are reporting tighter, firmer, and more youthful skin on their arms and neck. If you have been struggling with sagging skin, crepe paper texture, or deep arm wrinkles and feel like nothing is working, stay right here, because what I am about to share with you in this video will completely change the way you think about skincare, aging, and what your skin is actually capable of doing at any age. Let us start by understanding something very important, because most people are trying to fix the wrong problem. When you look at sagging skin on your arms or notice those fine lines and wrinkles deepening, the first instinct is to grab a heavy moisturizer or a fancy cream and slather it on. And while hydration matters, simply moisturizing the surface of your skin will never address the root cause of skin sagging. You need to understand what is actually happening underneath the surface of your skin if you want real lasting results. Your skin is made up of multiple layers, and within those deeper layers live 2 incredibly important proteins called collagen and elastin. Collagen gives your skin its structure and fullness, while elastin gives it its bounce and snap. Think of collagen as the scaffolding of a building, and elastin as the elastic band that holds everything together tightly. When you are young, your body produces these proteins in abundance, which is why young skin looks plump, smooth, and firm. But here is the problem. Starting in your mid-20s, yes, as early as your 20s, your body begins to slow down its production of both collagen and elastin. By the time you reach your 40s, 50s, and beyond, that production has dropped dramatically. And it is not just age causing this. Sun exposure, poor diet, smoking, stress, dehydration, and the use of harsh chemical-laden skincare products all accelerate the breakdown of these proteins at an alarming rate. So when you see skin sagging on your upper arms or wrinkles forming around your elbows and forearms, what you are really seeing is years of collagen and elastin loss, and that is the problem that needs to be addressed at the root. Now, this is where the magic of what we are going to talk about today comes in. The ingredient I am referring to is rosehip seed oil. And before you scroll away thinking you already know about this, please stay, because most people are using it completely wrong, which is why they are not seeing results. Rosehip seed oil is cold pressed from the seeds of the Rosa canina plant, a wild rose bush native to the Andes Mountains of South America. It has been used for centuries by indigenous communities for healing wounds, scars, burns, and aging skin, and modern science has now confirmed exactly why it works so powerfully. This oil is extraordinarily rich in trans-retinoic acid, which is a naturally occurring form of vitamin A, the same active compound found in expensive prescription retinoids that dermatologists prescribe for anti-aging. It is also packed with essential fatty acids, primarily linoleic acid and alpha-linolenic acid, which are omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids that your skin craves desperately but cannot produce on its own. Additionally, rosehip seed oil contains a significant concentration of vitamin C, vitamin E, and a powerful antioxidant called lycopene. Together, these compounds create a synergy that works at the cellular level to stimulate collagen production, repair damaged skin cells, improve skin elasticity, fade discoloration, and restore the plump, firm texture that sagging skin has lost. Now let us talk specifically about why rosehip seed oil is so uniquely effective for arm skin, because this is something that most skincare channels completely overlook. The skin on your arms, particularly your upper arms, the inner arms, and around the elbows, is structurally different from facial skin. It is thinner in some areas, has fewer oil glands to keep it naturally moisturized, and is exposed to daily friction from clothing, which breaks down the outer skin barrier over time. The upper arms also tend to be an area of hormonal fat distribution for women, and as estrogen levels decline with age, the skin in this area loses its hormonal support, leading to rapid loss of firmness and the appearance of that crepe-like wrinkled texture that so many women find deeply frustrating. The trans-retinoic acid in rosehip seed oil penetrates the skin deeply and communicates with skin cells at the genetic level, essentially signaling them to behave like younger, healthier skin cells. It accelerates cellular turnover, meaning your skin sheds the old damaged outer cells faster and replaces them with newer, more vibrant cells from beneath. This is the same mechanism behind why retinoid creams work, but rosehip seed oil delivers this action in its natural form without the harsh irritation, dryness, and redness that synthetic retinoids often cause. Let me now walk you through exactly how to use this oil correctly, because application method makes an enormous difference in your results. Many people apply a few drops and rub it in quickly and then wonder why nothing is changing. The technique you use is just as important as the product itself. First, always apply rosehip seed oil to freshly cleansed skin. If you have just taken a shower or washed your arms, gently pat the skin dry but leave it slightly damp, not wet but lightly moist. This is crucial because slightly damp skin allows the oil to penetrate far more deeply than completely dry skin, because the water molecules act as a carrier that draws the oil into the deeper layers of the skin rather than just sitting on the surface. Take 2 drops, and I want to emphasize only 2 drops, into the palm of your hand. Warm the oil between your palms for about 10 seconds. This step activates the oil and slightly increases its molecular mobility, making it more readily absorbed. Then, starting at your elbow, use long upward strokes to apply the oil along the entire length of your arm, moving always toward the heart. This upward motion is not arbitrary. It follows the direction of lymphatic drainage and supports healthy circulation in the area, which is essential for delivering nutrients and removing waste products from skin tissue. Once you have applied the oil in long strokes, go back and use a gentle circular motion over any particularly wrinkled or sagging areas, spending about 30 seconds using firm but gentle pressure. This massage action stimulates blood flow directly to the skin's surface, brings fresh collagen building nutrients to the area, and helps break up any areas of fascial adhesion that can pull the skin downward and worsen the sagging appearance. Do this twice a day, once in the morning before getting dressed and once at night before bed. The nighttime application is actually the more powerful of the two because your skin enters a state of deep cellular repair while you sleep, and applying rosehip seed oil before bed essentially floods your skin with the raw materials it needs to carry out that repair work maximally. Now, I want to talk about something that will dramatically accelerate your results, and that is the practice of combining rosehip seed oil with a simple kitchen ingredient that most people already have at home. That ingredient is pure vitamin C in the form of either a few drops of freshly squeezed lemon juice heavily diluted, and I mean very heavily diluted, or better yet, a small amount of pure L-ascorbic acid powder dissolved in water to create a simple vitamin C serum. The reason this combination is so powerful is that vitamin A and vitamin C work synergistically on the skin. Vitamin C is the essential cofactor for collagen synthesis, meaning your skin cells cannot actually build new collagen fibers without adequate vitamin C present. When you apply the vitamin A from rosehip seed oil alongside vitamin C, you are essentially providing the spark and the fuel at the same time. Vitamin C also neutralizes free radicals that break down existing collagen, which means you are protecting the collagen you already have while simultaneously stimulating the production of new collagen. Apply your vitamin C serum first, allow it to absorb for 3 to 4 minutes, and then layer the rosehip seed oil on top. This layering order is important. Water-based serums always go before oils because if you apply the oil first, it creates a barrier that prevents the serum from penetrating. Let me also address a very common mistake that people make when they start using any oil on sagging arm skin, and that is the belief that more is better. Using more than 2 drops of rosehip seed oil per arm per application will not accelerate your results. In fact, it will slow them down. When you apply too much oil, the skin becomes overwhelmed and cannot absorb all of it. The excess oil simply sits on the surface, clogs the pores in your arm skin, and can lead to a condition called folliculitis, small, inflamed bumps around the hair follicles that look like a rash. 2 drops is the optimal amount for full arm coverage when warmed and massaged in properly using the technique I described. Trust the process, use less, and be consistent. Consistency is the word I want you to anchor everything to as you move forward. Many people try a new skincare ingredient for 3 or 4 days, see no dramatic change and give up. But here is the reality of how skin works at the cellular level. The outermost visible layer of your skin, the stratum corneum, turns over approximately every 28 days. This means that even if a treatment is working perfectly from day one, you will not see the full surface level results until that first cellular cycle completes. But what happens underneath the surface in those early days is profound. Blood flow increases, collagen synthesis begins, damaged cells start being replaced, and the infrastructure of younger-looking skin is being rebuilt, layer by layer. Many women report a noticeable improvement in skin texture and a reduction in the crinkled, crepey appearance of their arm skin within the first week or two, not because their collagen has fully rebuilt, which takes longer, but because the increased hydration from the fatty acids and the improved circulation from the massage technique give an almost immediate plumping and smoothing effect. True, deep results in terms of significantly improved skin firmness and reduction in sagging will typically become clearly visible between 4 and 12 weeks of consistent twice-daily application. There is one more incredibly powerful step I want to share with you that most people never think about when trying to improve sagging arm skin, and it involves what you are eating. No topical treatment in the world can outrun a nutritional deficiency. Your skin is built from the inside out, and if you are not giving your body the building blocks it needs to produce collagen, no amount of rosehip oil or vitamin C applied on the surface will create the full transformation you are looking for. The 3 most important nutritional priorities for firming and tightening aging skin are protein, vitamin C from food sources, and silica. Protein provides the amino acids, particularly proline, glycine, and hydroxyproline, that are the literal raw materials used to construct collagen fibers. If you are not eating sufficient protein, your skin cells simply cannot build collagen, regardless of how many topical signals you send them. Aim for high-quality protein sources at every meal. Eggs, fish, legumes, Greek yogurt, and quality meat. Vitamin C from food, found in bell peppers, citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwis, and broccoli, dramatically boosts collagen synthesis from within. And silica, found in foods like cucumber, oats, and bananas, is a trace mineral that supports the structural integrity of collagen and elastin fibers and is one of the most underappreciated nutrients for skin firmness. Making these dietary shifts alongside your topical rosehip seed oil routine creates a powerful inside-out approach that will deliver results far beyond what either strategy could achieve alone. I also want to quickly mention one thing to avoid, because it is unknowingly sabotaging the results of so many people. Avoid applying any product containing alcohol, including hand sanitizers, toners with alcohol, or alcohol-based body sprays, immediately before or after your rosehip seed oil application. Alcohol strips the lipid barrier of the skin, creates temporary microdamage to the skin surface, and will interfere with the oil's ability to penetrate and do its work. If you use hand sanitizer frequently throughout the day, simply wait at least 30 minutes before applying your rosehip oil, and follow up immediately after application with no other alcohol-based product. So let us bring everything together, because I want to make sure you leave this video with absolute clarity on exactly what to do. The skin sagging and wrinkles you are experiencing on your arms are the result of collagen and elastin loss, a completely natural but absolutely reversible process when you give your skin the right tools. Rosehip seed oil, applied correctly in just 2 drops twice a day using the upward stroke massage technique on slightly damp skin, delivers natural retinoids, essential fatty acids, and powerful antioxidants directly to the skin cells that need them most. Pairing it with vitamin C amplifies the collagen building response dramatically. Supporting this topical routine with adequate dietary protein, food-sourced vitamin C, and silica-rich foods creates the internal foundation that makes lasting skin transformation possible. And being consistent, giving your skin the 28 to 90 days it truly needs to rebuild from within, is the commitment that separates the people who see life-changing results from those who give up too soon. If you found this information genuinely helpful and you are going to start applying this today, I want you to do 3 things right now. First, subscribe to this channel if you have not already, because we share evidence-based health and wellness information every week that your doctor probably has not told you about. Second, give this video a thumbs up. It truly helps more people find this content who need it. And third, drop a comment below and tell me one of two things. Either share the results you are already seeing with rosehip seed oil if you have tried it before, or tell me what health or skincare topic you want me to cover next. I read every single comment, and your suggestions directly shape the content we create. Your skin has an incredible ability to regenerate and renew itself at any age. You just need to give it the right support. Start today, stay consistent, and I will see you in the next video.